Alright, you guys, so we did one pack from the 5 prize packs from the second Obsidian Flames pre-release. Ended up going 2-1 again. Could not secure the 3-0, so we missed out on an extra pack. And we do have some hits that we got from the actual kit. Go ahead and grab those and show you here in a second. But we have a Temple, Heatmore, Lillipup, Toxel, Kangaskhan, Wishcash, Floatzel, Reverse Serena. Hey Gong, watch out. Kangaskhan Reverse, and a Clay Doll Hollow. That art is pretty nice, but still nothing quite yet.